Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Sorting Strings in Python in Numerical Order, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Sorting strings in numerical order can be a common requirement in programming, especially when dealing with alphanumeric data. Python provides a versatile way to achieve this using the sorted function with a custom sorting key. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of sorting strings in numerical order, with practical code examples. Step 1. Understanding the key parameter in the sorted function. The sorted function in Python allows us to sort iterable objects, including strings. To customize the sorting behavior, we can use the key parameter. The key parameter takes a function that is applied to each element before sorting. In our case, we will use a lambda function to extract numerical values from the strings. In this example, the lambda function extracts numerical values from each string using filter and istigede. The strings are then sorted based on these numerical values. Step 2. Sorting strings in numerical order. Now, let's create a function that encapsulates the sorting logic for better reusability. This function, sort_strings_numerically, takes a list of strings as input and returns a new list with the strings sorted in numerical order. Step 3. Handling edge cases. It's essential to consider edge cases, such as strings without numerical values. We can modify our sorting key to handle these cases gracefully. The numerical_key function now returns float, inf, for strings without numerical values. This ensures that they are placed at the end of the sorted list. Conclusion. Sorting strings in numerical order in Python involves using the sorted function with a custom sorting key. By understanding how to use the key parameter and handling edge cases, you can easily sort strings containing numerical values. This tutorial provides a foundation for incorporating numerical sorting into your Python projects. ChatGPT